Hello students, we have done some part of our lesson third, The Man in a Train. This is a suspense story, and we came to know that Mrs. Black was going to Eastbourne, and when she was on the platform on Victoria Station, she saw a man. That man was a healthy man with black hair, and that man, she got suspected about that man and she thought that man is a killer. So when she sat in the train, then that man came in the same compartment and he sat in front of her. Then she got frightened. And she was thinking that man will kill me. So let's read more about that. What happened to that lady? What happened to Mrs. Black? And was that man is a real culprit or murderer? So let's see, read and find out the things.
After some time, the man put down his paper and looked out of the window. As she watched him, Mrs. Black became certain that he was the man in the picture, a killer who always uses a knife, the paper had said. Then she remembered something else from the newspaper story, something about a woman killed by this man in a train. So, after some time, the man was reading the newspaper, and when he finished the newspaper, he put down the newspaper. He put aside the newspaper and he started looking out of the window. As she watched him, Mrs. Black was watching him. So what did she saw? Mrs. Black became certain. So she got certain. She was sure about that thing. What? This is the same person. This is the person which was in the newspaper picture. A killer who always uses a knife, the paper had said. Okay, it was written in the paper. What? A killer who always uses a knife. And that man is also uses a knife. And yes, she was sure that that is the same person who has killed many persons. Sure. Then she remembered something else from the newspaper story. Now she knew more from the newspaper story. What? Something about a woman, yes, who killed by this man in a train. Now she knew about the story. What new story was there? That man has killed a woman in a train. Yes. सो अभी कुछ टाइम के बाद उस आदमी ने न्यूज़पेपर को पढ़ना बंद किया, उसको साइड रख दिया और बाहर खिड़की से बाहर देखने लगा. और अभी भी मिसेस ब्लैक जो है वो उसे देखे जा रही थी. और अब मिसेस ब्लैक को पूरा विश्वास हो गया था कि ये तो वही पिक्चर वाला, न्यूज़पेपर में जो पिक्चर छपी है वो यही आदमी है और ये एक किलर है. और इसके बारे में लिखा गया था, ए किलर हु ऑलवेज यूजेस ए नाइफ. एक आदमी जो हमेशा, एक किलर जो हत्यारा जो हमेशा अपने साथ चाकू रखता है. तो उसे पक्का विश्वास हो गया था कि ये एक औरत को भी मार चुका है ट्रेन में. सो नेक्स्ट इज सडनली शी सेट अप. सो शी सेट अप. मिसेस ब्लैक सेट अप, बैठ जाती है. द मैन्स hand was moving towards the pocket of his coat. Slowly he put his hand into his pocket and took out a knife. Carefully he opened the blade. A long blade pointed at the end. Yes. So suddenly she sat up. That Mrs. Black sat up, and now the man was moving his hands, and he put his hands towards his pocket of his coat. Slowly he put his hand into his pocket and took out a knife. And he took out a knife from his pocket. And then he opened that knife carefully. And it was a blade, long blade was there. That knife has a long blade. And it was a sharp blade, it was a sharp knife. And it was a pointed end. यस. तो फिर उस आदमी ने अपने हाथ को अपनी पॉकेट की अपनी कोट की पॉकेट में डाला और फिर धीरे से उसने अपने पॉकेट से एक चाकू निकाला और फिर चाकू को उसने खोल दिया है तो उसका ब्लेड है और काफी लंबा ब्लेड था और वो आगे से नुकीला था। Mrs. Black wanted to jump to her feet and scream for help, but she could not move. Mrs. Black wanted to jump to her feet. वो अपने पैरों पे कूदना चाहती थी and scream for help, चिल्लाना चाहती थी हेल्प के लिए, but she could not move. But वो नहीं हिल सकी. Fear held her. She was fear stricken. डर ने उसे पकड़े रखा. Only her eyes watched the open knife. She can see only one thing and she can see knife only in the man's hand. Now his other hand began to move towards his pocket. Now the man was putting his hands in his pocket again. He is looking for a handkerchief and she was thinking that that man is looking for a handkerchief in his pocket. To put, so what for he was looking for the handkerchief? To put over her mouth so that no one will hear her. Yes, so she thought, she was thinking that कि ये आदमी अब दूसरी पॉकेट से अपना हैंकी निकालेगा और उस हैंकी को मेरे मुंह पे रखेगा ताकि कोई मेरी चिल्लाने की आवाज को ना सुन सके. But instead he took out an apple. But उसने पॉकेट से एक एप्पल निकाले and began to peel it slowly. And he started to peel that apple slowly, putting the peel carefully into a paper bag. And then he put that peel into a paper bag. छिलके को उसने पेपर बैग में रखा. And that he also took out from his pocket. And he took out that paper bag from his pocket. तो अभी उसने जो एप्पल पहले उसने चाकू निकाला और फिर उसने एप्पल निकाली और फिर उस चाकू से एप्पल को छीलने लगा. अब मिसेस ब्लैक जो थी वो बड़ी डरी हुई थी. उसने सोचा कि तो मुझे मारेगा इस चाकू से. अब आगे क्या कहा? So Mrs. Black breathed more easily when he started to peeling off the apple. Then she relaxed. She became relaxed. उसे बड़ा फील हुआ, अच्छा फील हुआ. Perhaps he was not the killer after all, and she got relief that that man is not a killer. But no, she looked again at his face. But that lady, Mrs. Black, again looked the face of the man. She was quite sure now, and this time she was quite sure that was the face in the newspaper pictures. And to see the face of that man, she got sure that this is the same person, this is the killer who has killed many persons. Then he did something which brought back all her fears. Then she again got frightened. He finished peeling his apple. That man has finished peeling his apple. And instead of putting the knife back into his pocket, so that man did not put his knife into his pocket, but he put that knife on the seat beside him. And that knife was still opened. और चाकू अभी भी खुला हुआ था. खुला हुआ चाकू उसने अपनी सीट पे अपने पास रख लिया. Then Mrs. Black, she lifted her magazine. Mrs. Black took her magazine again, and for now he was watching her. और अभी भी वो उसको देखे जा रही थी. His deep dark eyes never moving. और उसकी आंखें अभी भी उसको घूरे जा रही थी, देखे जा रही थी. Mrs. Black अभी भी उसको देखे रही थी. Now thought Mrs. Black, nearly dead with fear. Now he is going to kill me. So now Mrs. Black was totally afraid. She was very afraid. She was most afraid, most frightened, very frightened. And now she was thinking that that person is going to kill me. But the man opened the window. Of the train and threw out the paper bag with the apple peel. And then the man threw out the paper bag. And in that bag, what was kept? In that bag was apple peel. ओके, एंड उस एप्पल के छिलके को उसने बाहर फेंक दिया एंड क्लोज द विंडो एंड सेट डाउन अगेन। उसने फिर से खिड़की को बंद किया और आराम से बैठ गया। ओवर द टॉप ऑफ हर मैगजीन शी saw the man's right hand move towards the open knife on the seat beside him. So over the top of her magazine, the मिसेस ब्लैक जो थी ना, वो अभी भी वो मैगजीन को पढ़ नहीं रही थी, बल्कि मैगजीन के ऊपर से उस आदमी को देखे जा रही थी। तो उसने क्या देखा कि सी सा द मैन्स राइट हैंड, उसने देखा कि आदमी का जो राइट हैंड है मूव टुवर्ड्स द ओपन नाइफ, कि अब वो अपने जो खुले हुए चाकू को था वो उठा रहा था। ओके, और फिर क्या हुआ, जो सीट पे रखा हुआ था, फिर क्या हुआ कि एट दैट मोमेंट द ट्रेन बिगेन टू स्लो डाउन एंड एट दैट टाइम द ट्रेन वाज गोइंग टू स्लो डाउन and Mrs. Black saw the houses. Now Mrs. Black can see the houses and streets of Eastbourne moving past the windows. Now she can see, mean to say they have reached to Eastbourne. वो Eastbourne पहुंच चुके थे because Mrs. Black can see the houses and streets of Eastbourne. वो वहां के घर और गलियां देख सकती थी ईस्टबॉर्न की। Then the train stopped and then the train stopped and the man stood up. फिर ट्रेन रुकी और आदमी खड़ा हुआ। Yes, she was right. He was the killer. और उसको विश्वास अभी भी था कि वो किलर है। For outside on the platform, क्योंकि बाहर प्लेटफॉर्म पे वेटिंग फॉर हिम, उसका इंतजार कर रहे थे, वर टू पुलिसमैन, के दो पुलिस वाले बाहर प्लेटफॉर्म पे उसका इंतजार कर रहे थे। उसको पक्का विश्वास हो गया था। As he got down from the train at that person who was sitting in front of Mrs. Black, then he got down the train. Both policemen saluted smartly. So those police were waiting on the platform. They saluted him in a smart way. So good morning, Inspector. So they spoke that good morning, Inspector. One of them said. So one of them. They were two constable, and from them two constable, one constable greeted him. Good morning, Inspector. The chief constable is waiting for you, and he told the man, they both constable told the man who was in the train and now he was on the platform, told to him, yes, the chief constable is waiting for you at the police station. Sir, we have a car outside and we came here in a car to bring you, to fetch you. So जैसे ही वो आदमी ट्रेन से नीचे उतरता है तो दो पुलिस वाले उसे सैल्यूट करते हैं। उनमें से एक पुलिस वाला यानी कि एक कांस्टेबल उसे गुड मॉर्निंग विश करता है और कहते हैं कि सर, चीफ कांस्टेबल आपका पुलिस स्टेशन में इंतजार कर रहे हैं और हम कार से आए हैं आपको ले जाने के लिए। As they walked away down the platform, Mrs. Black picked up the newspaper. When they have gone away from the platform, two constable and that man and inspector went away. Then Mrs. Black took the paper, which paper was still on the seat. Yes, that paper. Yes, which paper that man was reading. Then Mrs. Black took that paper. वो पेपर उसने उठाया फ्रॉम द सीट, जो सीट से पेपर रखा हुआ था, पड़ा हुआ था। यस, on the front page were two pictures and on that newspaper there were two pictures on this newspaper, one of a small man और in that pictures एक आदमी छोटा सा था with thin lips जिसके पतले होठ थे and another of a big dark man और एक लंबा सा तगड़ा सा काला आदमी था। she now knew so well जिसको वो जान चुकी थी। under the first were the words under the first, okay, एक स्मॉल जो आदमी था उसके नीचे लिखा हुआ था जैक द किलर, उसके नीचे लिखा हुआ था जैक द किलर एंड द अदर और दूसरी फोटो के नीचे जो काला और लंबा आदमी था उसके नीचे लिखा हुआ था इंस्पेक्टर थॉर्नटन ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड इन चार्ज ऑफ द केस। Mrs. Black smiled as she got into a taxi. When Mrs. Black got into the taxi, when she sat into the taxi, then she was smiling on herself and she thought about John. So John always says, I do not read the newspaper carefully. So John जो है वो हमेशा मुझे कहता है कि मैं न्यूज़पेपर को कभी भी ध्यान से नहीं पढ़ती हूँ। She thought, और वो अपने आप में सोच रही थी। So this was the story and this story was yes a suspense story and that suspense was only for Mrs. Black. But those yes, you which person, yeah, who was in front of her in the train? That was Inspector, and he was the in charge of the case of the murder. So this was the lesson.
So guys, we have done our lesson third. This lesson was a suspense story, but this only the suspense was there, nothing else was there, and she was thinking what and she got what. This was the lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.